Use a 6mm hex key to loosen the front wheel fixing bolts. Pull out the fixing bolts. Remove the front wheel. Unscrew the valve cap. Completely deflate the tire. Squeeze the tire to create a gap. Lubricate the gaps on both sides with soapy water. Use a tire lever to pry out a notch beside the valve stem. Insert a second tire lever into the notch. Use the second tire lever to pry out the tire by running it around the wheel hub. Pull out the tube. Take off the tire. Inflate the inner tube until it slightly bulges. Insert the tube into the tire. Lubricate the edges on both sides with soapy water. The arrow on the tire should be installed on the same side as the disc brake rotor. Insert the valve stem into the wheel hub. First, fully press one side of the tire into the wheel hub. Press the other side of the tire into the wheel hub. Use a tire lever to fully press the tire into the wheel hub. Inflate the tire pressure to 45 psi. Screw on the valve cap. Install the disc brake disc facing the left handlebar. Install a washer on the fixing bolt. Apply thread locking compound. Align the holes and insert the front wheel. Tighten the fixing bolts.